Welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss the integration between Synapse and Power BI. As it's traditionally done, we can connect the Power BI desktop to the Synapse SQL pool, both the serverless and the dedicated SQL pools, as data sources do the data modeling and develop the reports in public desktop before publishing to the Power BI workspace. This is no different to what we do with other data sources, for example, Azure SQL Database as a source. So we have all the capabilities we get with Power BI and other data sources with Synapse too. On top of this, Synapse offers some capabilities of Power BI in the Synapse Studio itself. We still have to use Power BI Desktop for data modeling and Power BI Workspace for scheduling, dashboarding, etc. But Synapse Studio offers the capability to develop reports and publish them to the Power BI Workspace. Within Synapse Studio itself, you can do all this without leaving Synapse Studio. This is a significant step for Microsoft towards providing a single unifying service to perform data discovery, data integration, data transformation, as well as reporting. As I said at the moment, the Synapse Studio only offers the capability to create reports and publish them. But in the future, I assume we will be able to create dashboards, schedule, refreshes, etc. So it's an interesting space to watch. In this session of the course, we're going to look at both the traditional approach and the integration within the Synapse Studio. But there are a couple of things we need to have in place. Firstly, we need the Power BI desktop application installed in your computer. It's a free download, Power BI only available for Windows. So if you're using Linux, Mac OS, you should have a Windows VM and install Power BI desktop on that. We also need a Power BI workspace where we can publish our reports and datasets. We don't need this immediately, so we'll create this once we've created the reports using the desktop. But let me show you where to download the Power BI desktop application from so that you can download it and start the next session with me on integrating Power BI with Synapse. From your browser, navigate to the URL powerbimicrosoft.com that will take you to the home page for Power BI. Yeah, let's click on the product drop-down here and then click on the Power BI desktop and that will show you this page. As I said, it's free to download. So let's click on the download free button here and that will bring you here. It will open the Microsoft Store and from here you will download and install in your system. For my case, I have already installed the Power BI desktop, that's why you are seeing here open and update button. For your case you will get some other option. So once you've installed the application, come to the next session that I'll show you how to integrate Power BI with Synapse. So that's the end of this session. I'll see you in the next one.